Welcome back to another case study with our trading bot here. So we've been talking about trading the markets. We've not been at our screens, literally spending 5 minutes every morning just seeing, is the pro trading system green or is it red? But on this case study, I'm going to show you what you can do if you're swing trading the markets. So we get a buy signal here on the 6th of February, okay? And then we go into this lovely green bias long trade, which has been amazing to trade. We've been keeping our eye on this buy signal for a couple of weeks. We got it on the 6th of February. But let's say you're too busy. You're at work, you're traveling, you can't trade at all because you can't get to your screens. And the last thing you want to be doing is looking on your mobile phone because that's going to distract you from work or might even get you into trouble. How could you make money? Well, you set the bot up. Step number one, you find the direction of the pro trading system. It gives you the buy signal. It tells you the market is likely to go higher. So then we go into our bot and we come over to our bot here and we set it up. So New Zealand Swissy, okay, I'm looking at the momentum strategy here. Let's be adventurous. Let's put 50k in because you can get a funded account with 50k. We're going to look at what market? New Zealand Swissy. We're going to use the 1 hour time frame, nice and steady. And 1 hour is really good with the daily because you get a good amount of trades. You get involved in that swing, that trend to the upside. You're not doing too many trades like you would do on a 15. I would combine a 15 with maybe a 4 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame with daily, perfect. It's great. You could do both if you wanted to, if you wanted more trades. We can look at buy signals because we've got a buy signal in that direction. We look at the indicator we're going to use for those momentum trades. We're going to go long at market. We could test out, see what pending order does, but let's just go market. We're going to do 1% per trade here. Now, what you could do, you can come into this area and reduce this. If you're on a funded account, you could certainly reduce this down to 0.50. And so you're taking a 0.5% risk per trade. Perfectly fine. Now you've got the bias on your side on the daily with that PTS. It is a great indicator to tell you which way the market's going to be going. So why not set trades up in that direction? So we're going to come down here. We got that buy signal on the 6th. We'll take it from the 6th. We've got no red signals on the pro trading system, so we might as well run it up to today's date and see what the results were. We don't need to do any stop to break even. We could type in or just highlight here break even at 1 to reward. So if it goes up 1 reward here, and remember we're looking at 2.5 and we can certainly do more if we wanted to, we could go to break even, but we're going to leave it as it is because even when you're doing discretionary trading, you put your stop to break even too tight, you get stopped out and then it goes in the direction you want to. So we're going to leave it as it is. There's no optimization because we're going to just use one market. And you certainly could test out all these different time frames up here and see which one was the most successful. But look, when you're doing this in a live account and you're doing it for real, these are the results you would get. So we did a £50,000 account. We made £9,607 profit. Very nice indeed. In the month of February, and we started with £50,000 account. It did how many trades a day? Just over 1 trade a day. Not that many, but perfect really. Drawdown was less than 3%, so perfect for a funded account. 71% win rate. Average win rate was £1,000. Average loss 500. Okay, so pretty good. Expectancy was over 0.20, so that's good. It was over 1 here. It was excellent. So we started off here with straight into £2,000 profit, which is good. Then we really did accelerate up to £5,000 profit. A little bit of sideways motion here on the account, a little bit of a dip, and then we really exploded up to that 59,000, guys. Remember, this is all done on autopilot. You don't even need to be at your screen. Set it up and it can run nicely for you. It does all the trades. All you do is take 5 minutes to set it up and away you go. All you're looking for is step 1, pro trading system bias on whatever time frame you want. As a day trader, you might want to combine the 4 hour with the 15. Swing trading, you want to combine the daily with the 1 hour time frame. And you can combine the weekly with the 4 hour to take even slower trades and take a longer view. You just set the momentum up in that direction and it takes the trades for you. £9,000 in less than a month, guys. Trading all on autopilot. using the Pro Trading System and our bot combination, it is absolutely perfect. And remember, I always say you could use a funded account to take these trades.